Welcome to the world of cryonics. Imagine a world where terminal illnesses aren't the end, but merely a pause, where the deceased could potentially await a future cure or revival. This isn't science fiction. It's cryonics, the process of preserving individuals at ultra-low temperatures with the hope that future technology might bring them back to life. Here's the catch. It's not about freezing, but vitrification. By replacing bodily fluids with a cryoprotectant, tissues solidify without forming damaging ice crystals. While the concept sounds promising, it's brimming with challenges. As of now, we can't reverse the process without cellular damage, especially in complex organs like the brain. But there are glimmers of hope. Some simple organisms and certain mammalian tissues have been successfully cryopreserved and revived. Critics argue that even if revival is possible, the preserved consciousness or self might be lost. For many, cryonics isn't just a scientific endeavor, but a philosophical and existential one.